Kid, Episode 8, The Small Person. Kid had someone to play, but she didn't talk. She just shy, troll Kid. Let's play hide and seek, said Kid. I hide first. Kid ran and hid behind the bench, but the person did find him. She didn't even look for him. Let's play catch instead, said Kid. Kid threw an acorn to the person, but the acorn bounced off her head. She didn't even try to catch it. Bird flew over. What are you doing? She asked. I am playing with a new friend, said Kid. She's a small person. Hi, said Bird. What's your name? She just talked, said Kid. Bird looked at the person closely. What does she do? Asked Bird. Well, nothing really, said Kid. You know why, said Bird. This is a real person. Is it a fake person?